Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So this is my midweek haul over at Walgreens, and we have some 90% off feminine care, free razors, and then over at Walmart we have 60% off of paper towels. Bounty. Oh my gosh. Do I have your attention? If you could do me a huge favor and give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up, I would be so grateful if you could take a second and like the video. It really helps out the channel. And just so to make sure that I'm not in YouTube Siberia, if you could just take a second and like the video, I would be so grateful. Okay, let's go to everybody's favorite. It is Walgreens. I know that's why probably the majority of you are here to see what I've been doing. So there's been the feminine care at 50% off for quite some time, including a lot of this Walgreens generic. I will say the pads are quite fantastic. I'm going to be really honest. The tampons I would not buy. They're just not of a same quality like a Playtex or a Tampax or the stuff I normally like. But all this stuff really cheap. Like those organic cotton, absolutely not. Not even for 68 cents, but the pads are really fantastic. My big complaint about the Walgreens generic tampons is that the applicators are not of a good quality. So yeah, that's why. Moving it along, we have this douche enema water bottle. So it can do everything, including your taxes at 90% off for $2.19, along with these cleansing wipes for 58 cents. So even if things aren't tagged, ask for a price check, totally worth your time. One item that was ringing up only 50% off is this bag of Carefree pads, very similar to what the Dollar General had in their clearance event. We have a $5 digital on this product. It makes it 49 cents. And I did it yesterday. There's also a $3 digital. Make sure that only the 5 off one is loaded so you get the max value savings. Now, this is a deal that I found, and I tested it and it worked out. So I'm pretty excited. If you could track down 3 of these U by Kotex pads for 70 cents a pop, they're ringing up buy one, get one 50% off. And this is where it gets really good. $5 Walgreens cash when you buy 3. You can see it tagged in the other corner of the picture. So 3 of these is $1.75, and then you're getting back your $5 in Walgreens cash, making this free plus a $3.25 moneymaker. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster, but how fantastic is that? But you need to get at least 3 to make this happen, so it worked for me. And now we have this CoverGirl foundation. We have this 3 off 1 digital coupon that showed up on Sunday. It is attaching, so it's making it $1.49. And they had a whole bunch of different colors of foundation. So there's that. We also have this $4 digital. And I don't know why at this one store I was at, they actually had it in the clearance section, that exact bottle that it's attaching to. This guy for $12.49 on clearance. So with the $4 digital, it's making it $8.49, which is not a bad price point considering I think the original price for this was almost $18. So use Walgreens cash. If you have a $3 register reward, throw that in and pay $5 of Walgreens cash and a $3 register reward. You're paying just 49 cents plus tax. Other clearance that I was finding is nail polish remover and this professional refresh kit. So I think it's to brush your teeth on the go and wash your face. Summer traveling. We have the very large Arizona iced tea for $1.99. And then I also found this Kinder chocolate. I think Fetch might have a rebate for 1,000 points back. I unfortunately don't have it, but if you possibly have it, that's 79 cents for this large bag of Kinder chocolate minis. The expiry date was sometime in September, so you'll have that for the summer months. Now, this deal we're going to talk about is a BOGO 50% off on these disposable Venus razors, $10 reward when you purchase 2. There was a $4 coupon. I used it, and guess what, guys? I can't get a screenshot of it, and I only had it on one account. And it is attaching to these disposable Venus razors at $8.79 a pop. So if you might have it, definitely a great deal. And if you don't have it, it still makes these disposables very cheap. So we're doing this deal in store, grabbing 2 of these disposable razors for $13.18. Subtracting that $4 digital, you'll pay $9.18, get back a $10 register reward, essentially making it free. And yes, you can use Walgreens cash for this one if you're doing the deal with no booster. If you do not have the $4 coupon, it's going to be like $3.18 for the 2 razors, which is not a bad price point. The next store that we're at is Walmart, and I know the last couple weeks a lot of toilet paper has gone on clearance, and for whatever stupid reason, when I was at Walmart, I noticed that they actually cleared out these 1 = 4 mega bounty rolls, a favorite in our household. So this exact one, it was ringing up for $2. The original price on the shelf, I think, was $4.98. So that's 60% off. Always your mileage may vary if your store will have the same. At this one store I was visiting, they put it on a rolltainer at the front. So within an hour it was completely gone, even at 60% off. People just really want to stock up on paper. My sneaky suspicion is that the manufacturer is going to be changing things around. And then we had this summer print one for $2.60. The original price was like $6 and some change. So, I mean, you could always open up the Walmart app and start scanning prices if you see similar ones. It might be on clearance, it might not. But definitely worth investigating in case your store might have it on clearance, because this is the sort of item we love to stock up on. Now we're at Meijer, which is a grocery store here in the Midwest. There is no sister store. This is not a Kroger. But on hidden clearance are these family-sized boxes of the Marshmallow Fruity Pebbles. So with this one, they're on a hidden clearance for 99 cents. And they have restocked this several times. It's not even tagged, which is really nice. And if you are an avid IBOTTA user, there's a rebate of $2 back when you buy 3. And this Marshmallow Fruity Pebbles, only this size and this one, it's working with it. So you're getting these for like 33 cents a box, which is really, really fantastic. And I think I've done the rebate now because it keeps resetting 5 times. So I have a whole lot of this cereal. And this is the rebate on IBOTTA. It's a $2 back when you buy 3 of these boxes. And if you have not signed up for IBOTTA, sign up today. Link in the notes. So 3 of these at Meijer at 99 cents a pop is $2.97. Photograph that receipt to IBOTTA for $2 back. It makes it 97 cents for the 3 or 33 cents per. And I will let you guys know with this, I would definitely open up the shop and scan. Maybe if you're in a weird part of Michigan, like the Upper Peninsula or like a tiny little area store, perhaps it isn't the same price, but I know that many stores in Michigan, it is ringing up for 99 cents. So definitely something to investigate. Monday afternoon, I started hearing a lot about the JCPenney $5 clearance. So anything that's tagged with these orange clearance stickers, lots of perfumes, Legos, women's clothing. If it's been clearanced out, open up their app and scan barcodes or bring it to the price checker, and whatever the price is, it's getting cleared out for $5. So if you have a JCPenney near you, definitely go and investigate that. Unfortunately, I don't have this store, so I am taking a big old pass on it with a ton of regret, but that's the break sometimes. That's it for this video. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.